Hi, in this video, we will talk about the same tool Testsigma. And in our previous video, we have created one sample test case using this plain English. Okay. And we captured the elements manually, right? We have taken CSS selector and we captured those and used it here. So this is the sample test case, which we already saw in our previous video using manual option. So in this video, we will see with recording option. So go back and so test cases. See, when you come to test cases, in our previous video, you already captured these elements. You in the section, you can see all these elements. And in the future, if you want the same thing, you can directly use. The moment when I click on test cases, so let me create a test case. And it will prompt you that install Testsigma Chrome extension. Testsigma Chrome extension will help you to capture the element details automatically. Elements can be anything on the web page that you are trying to automate. Okay, buttons, links, everything. So we'll try to install this one. I think this we need Testsigma recorder. Okay, then you can record. You need to add this one. Otherwise, you can directly come to the Chrome Web Store and you can search and you can add to your Chrome. Okay, you cannot add extension to incognito or guest windows. So let me go to the normal browser. So I'm not able to add the extension in incognito. So this is normal. So I'm able to add Testsigma recorder added, right? So you click on this. So yeah, you can add to Chrome. So add extension. So it added. Okay. So now you see that it became enabled. Before that, it was disabled record steps. So I can say verify login with valid credentials with recording. Okay, just like the time, and you need to copy that this URL, right? dev.automation testing.in. So I'll just capture this URL and come here, put the URL. Okay. So yeah, right. So you give the URL and record steps. So all set. Testsigma's test machines can access this URL. So record steps. It will open a browser, separate browser with that. So you type admin@automation testing.in. See the right side, you see test steps. Already navigate to this one. So admin@automation testing.in. And you see that highlighting some password, input password, something like that, email, input email. So here highlighting admin 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then login. Okay. So I don't know verify title. So we can add the verification steps, but at least you can this one. So after this, you say done. You can pass that recording or you can simply say done. So it will load. You see, it is creating. You see that? Navigate to this, enter username in username field, enter password in password field, click on login button. And you can verify that the title, sorry, page title contains, what is that? Simply automation, I can say. Okay, contains automation. I think this is not the correct one. Verify that so let me cancel this one. Something is not giving me authorization. So verify that the current page title content is data. Better to capture here instead of writing your own. So automation, and then click on create. Okay, so in between also, I think you see add step in between, add step after that. Okay, so now I created this test case. Now I try to execute the same configuration which we used in the last video. So just run now. So it is booting the same Windows 11 version, Chrome 107 version, this display settings, right? So we'll verify whether it will pass or fail. You see that it got passed, and it is capturing all the screenshots for each and every step. Okay, so this is how you can record your steps. If you have a big workflow, you can simply record, and then if you want to change any, if you want to make any changes to the steps, you can do. So that's how you can capture the steps with the record option. Very, very easy, and you can easily read all these things, right? Natural English. So when you click on this, go back. When you see the moment when you try to create a new step, you see that here one option is there before the step. When you hover on that, natural language, step group, block, for loop, while loop, RESTful API, record integration, something different options are available. So now we are taking natural language and you're writing our steps. Okay, so that's all in this video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.